read the book The Lost Crab. The Lost Crab. Big Pig and Tug the Pup have a picnic. Shh! I hear something in the grass, says Big Pig. Look, a sea animal, says Tug the Pup. I'm lost, says Crab. Can you help me find the sea? There is no sea here, says Big Pig. The sea must be near, says Crab. Okay, let's go. Go look for the sea, says Big Pig. They look all over. I see something big and blue, says Big Pig. That's it. That's the sea, says Crab. Bye, says Crab. I will come back soon. Thank you for watching. Keep reading. Thank you. Bye.